Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's tutorial, I am going to be doing a black smoky eye look for date night. So I know that this look has been recreated over the years, but then I happened to come across this look from a popular Ghanaian American YouTuber, a makeup artist. Her name is Ohema Bonsu. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly. But yeah, I came across the look, and she too also got her inspiration from another male makeup artist on YouTube, Painted by Spencer. So I decided to also do my own take on the look. So I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to stick around and watch till the end. And I hope you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's begin. So what I did was to apply my orange color corrector and then apply my concealer on top of it, just for double coverage. I got this inspiration from somewhere. I can't even remember. I think from a makeup artist. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I normally do. If you check out my previous videos, that is how I apply my color corrector. So I'm going to blend it out. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing Togo and Dakar from Juvias place. So for my transition shade, I'm going to be applying this chocolate brown shade here from the Zulu palette. I'll be applying it to my crease. Then I'm also going to apply this shade as well. So I intend to create like a base for the black eyeshadow that I'm going to apply. So this is the Maybelline Lasting Drama gel liner, which I'm going to be applying all over my eyelids. So on top of the gel eyeliner, I'm also going to be applying this dark eyeshadow. This is from Mcgrath Labs single eyeshadow, and it's called Dark Matter. So I'm just going to apply it all over the eyelids using like patting motion. So guys, if you check the eyeshadow here, I used my blending brush and took a little bit of the black eyeshadow to apply it, just to kind of should I say diffuse the crease? I don't know if that makes sense, but I didn't like the fact that the black eyeshadow was just sitting on my eyelids alone. I just wanted to kind of make it look more smoky. It didn't give me that smoky effect, so I just took a little bit of the black eyeshadow and using my blending brush, I just blended it ever lightly across my crease. So I'm going to be applying 3 sets of concealer like I did in my previous videos. So this one is the I Am Magic concealer, and this is the shade 8, which is very much like me applying a foundation, but that is what I want to do. So the next concealer I'm going to be applying is also from Juvias Place, and this one is shade 10. I'm applying a third concealer, Colourpop No Filter Concealer, shade 40. So I'm going to set my face using my setting powder from Juvia's Place, Gobi. So for the second setting powder, it's Shortbread from Juvia's Place. It's the Silky finishing powder, setting powder. Then I'm going to contour my whole face using my I Am Magic powder foundation by Juvia's Place. For blush, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place blushed cream blush, and the shade is Very Berry. So I'm going to use powder to set it. So to set the blush, I'm going to be using Blush Rouge. This is volume 3, and this is the particular one that I'm going to be using. Or I might combine the two. Let's just see. I guess I'll combine the two. Then I'm going to line my lips. So for lipstick, I'm going to be using this liquid matte lipstick, Cozy, from Dose of Colors. Apply it to the center of my lips. Then I'm going to apply gloss over the lipstick. This is my Nubian Earth Lip Reflective Gloss Oasis from Juvias Place. And on top of it, I feel like applying this Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate. I can't seem to do without it, and it's probably going to alter the color of the lip gloss, but I don't know. I just can't seem to do without it. I must apply it every time. I don't know why. It didn't really alter it that much. Yeah. Then for highlights, I'm applying this Elizabeth Arden blushes. Yeah. Which is this. The lighting is making it difficult for you guys to see it. I'm going to be applying the middle one, which is Copper Glow. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. This is the perfect look for date night. I am so pleased with this look and how it came out. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop your comments for me. I appreciate you guys so much who take the time to watch my videos. Thank you so much, and let me know the type of videos you guys want me to do for you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.